Have you ever wondered what the best large RC RTR ships and boats are? Well, today we're going to dive into the world of remote-controlled vessels and explore some of the finest offerings on the market. So gear up, folks, and prepare to set sail on this journey of discovery. First up on our list is the Aquacraft Model's RTR Remote Control RC Boat. This model is a favorite among RC enthusiasts, known for its speedy performance and high-quality build. It features a sleek design with twin props and a water-cooled motor. The Aquacraft is ready to race straight out of the box with a reliable 2.4 GHz radio system, making it a top choice for beginners and experienced hobbyists alike. Next, we have the Proboat Blackjack. This RC boat is a force to be reckoned with, boasting a brushless motor that promises astounding speeds. The Blackjack's design is not just about performance, though. It sports an attractive, glossy exterior that's sure to turn heads at your local pond or lake. Moving on, we have the TFL Hobby 1106 Pursuit racing boat. This large RC boat is an absolute beast on the water. It features a robust fiberglass hull and a powerful brushless motor. The Pursuit is also equipped with a high-quality radio system for excellent control and maneuverability. It's certainly a vessel that commands respect. The fourth entrant on our list is the Volantex RC Vector 30. This compact and stylish RC boat is perfect for those who prefer speed and agility. The Vector 30 comes with a water-cooled system and a self-righting feature that ensures your boat never stays upside down, making it a great choice for beginners. Last, but certainly not least, is the Traxxas DCB M41 widebody. This large RC boat is a scale model of the full-size M41 widebody. It features a dual-hull design and a VXL6S Marine ESC for high-speed racing. The M41 widebody is a high-performance RC boat that combines speed, style, and a top-quality build, making it a worthy addition to any RC collection. To summarize, we've discussed 5 of the best large RC RTR ships and boats on the market. We explored the Aquacraft Model's RTR Remote Control RC boat, known for its quality build and speed. We discussed the Proboat Blackjack, a high-performance RC boat with an attractive exterior. We delved into the TFL Hobby 1106 Pursuit racing boat, a large and powerful RC boat. We looked at the Volantex RC Vector 30, a compact and agile RC boat with a self-righting feature. And finally, we talked about the Traxxas DCB M41 widebody, a high-performance scale model of the full-size M41 widebody. Remember, the best RC boat for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced RC enthusiast, there's a large RC RTR ship or boat out there that's just right for you. Until next time, happy sailing!